Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by ensuring the emulator image supports Google Play services. This is why you must pick a Google Play or Google API system image. Once launched, make sure network is connected and the emulator clock matches real time, because mismatched time often breaks sign-in. You should also have your Google credentials and any two-step auth device ready. Now open the emulator and go straight to settings. Don't waste time downloading extra apps yet. From settings, choose accounts, then add account and pick Google. The built-in web view will load the Google sign-in page. Enter your email, password, and complete any two-step verification prompts. Make sure you accept required permissions so Play services can function. Once signed in, tap Account Sync and enable the toggles you want: Contacts, Calendar, Play, Drive, so data flows into the emulator. If the web view stalls, close it and retry after clearing app cache. Finish by opening Google Play to verify you're signed in and that Play services updates if prompted. Installing or updating Play services often fixes runtime errors. Make sure the account appears in Settings Accounts and that sync completed. If something goes wrong, like persistent sign-in errors, clear the Play Store and Google Play Services app data, reboot the emulator or wipe, and recreate the virtual device with a Google Play image. Also confirm device date/time and network proxy settings. These often cause failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.